Hey there, Internet fam. If you've ever tried to Google your website and found it on page, I don't know, 27, then you're probably like, what am I doing wrong? Well, don't worry, because today I'm breaking down the best SEO practices that actually work. No fancy terms, no tech speak. Just the real stuff you can start doing today to get your site noticed. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the thing no one likes to admit: content. Look, I know, creating content can feel like trying to pull a rabbit out of a hat without a rabbit or a hat. But here's the plain truth: content is still king. No, not just any content. I'm talking about useful, engaging, and consistent content. I get it, you're thinking, but I wrote 3 blogs in 2018, where are my visitors? Yeah, Google forgot about you. Sad tone. Here's what you do. Write about what your audience actually wants to know. Use Google's People Also Ask feature. It's like having a cheat sheet from the internet gods. Answer those questions in your blogs, videos, or whatever you create, and boom, more traffic. Now, speaking of traffic, do you know how people are finding you? On their phones. 60% of searches happen on mobile. That's more than half people. And guess what? If your site isn't mobile friendly, they're going to bounce faster than me when someone asks me to help them move this weekend. Here's where you got to put in a little elbow grease. Site speed. Google loves fast sites. They even have these things called Core Web Vitals now. It's all fancy, but basically it's a scorecard for how fast and smooth your site is. You need to hit those numbers or Google's going to swipe left on you. So make sure your site doesn't load like you're back in 2004, waiting for dial-up internet. Quick break before we get to the big one. Hydrate. You're going to need it when you're climbing that SEO mountain. All right, we're getting to the big one. User experience. If your site is confusing or it looks like it was designed by a bored cat, no one's sticking around. Keep things clean, easy to navigate, and make sure your website doesn't look like a haunted house of broken links and pop-ups. And for you local businesses out there, I see you. You need to be on Google My Business. This is your business's front porch on the internet, and it's free. If you're not showing up in local searches, people in your town are going to drive right by, digitally. Plus, good reviews? Oh man, they are like gold stars for Google, so ask for those reviews. So let's break it down real quick, plain and simple. 1. Create content people actually want to read or watch, not what you think is cool. 2. Mobile friendly or bust. Seriously, we're all on our phones. 3. Make your site fast. I just had coffee fast. 4. User experience is everything. Make your site easy, clean, and don't scare people away. Local SEO for local biz. 5. Don't sleep on your Google My Business listing and those golden reviews. There you have it. SEO isn't rocket science. It's more like a never-ending game of hide and seek with Google. But now you've got the right map to get found. Now get out there, start optimizing, and remember, Google may change the rules, but as long as you focus on the basics, you'll stay ahead. Like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tips, and let me know in the comments what SEO myths you've fallen for. Let's laugh together because, hey, we've all been there. Until next time, happy optimizing.